Hi, and welcome to Basic Division. In this video, you'll learn how to do simple division. For more complicated division, you'll want to check out our later videos. Division problems can be written in different ways. Sometimes you'll see them written with this symbol, like 6 divided by 3. Other times you'll see them written like this. Both of these mean that the number 6 is being divided by the number 3. For simple division problems, you might see the first symbol, but for harder division problems, you use the other symbol. Division is the opposite of multiplication. Let's look at the simple problem we've got here. Division is asking you how many items would be in each group if we took that 6 and divided it into 3 groups. The answer is 2. What's 2 times 3? It's 6. You can check your work by multiplying the answer. In division, we call the number under the division symbol the dividend. The number it's being divided by is the divisor. In this problem, 12 is the dividend and 2 is the divisor. The answer is called the quotient. What's the quotient in this problem? Let's draw it out. We have 12 apples. We need to divide these into 2 groups. How many apples are in each group? Did you guess 6? You're right. Remember, you can check your work because 6 times 2 is equal to 12. Those problems were pretty easy. The divisor divided evenly into the number. This one, 13 divided by 2, is a little harder. You know that 2 times 6 is equal to 12, and 2 times 7 is equal to 14. 13 is 1 more than 12 and 1 less than 14. You might have figured out by now that 2 can go into 13 6 times, since 2 times 6 is equal to 12. But there is 1 left over. We call that a remainder. The remainder is whatever is left over after we've gotten as close as we can. You can find the remainder by subtracting the product of the quotient and the divisor from the dividend. Remember, the product is what you get when you multiply 2 numbers together. The quotient is the answer to a division problem, and the divisor is the number you're dividing by. Remainders are typically written with the letter R followed by the number. The answer to 13 divided by 2 is 6R1. When you're unsure about the answer, you might find it helpful to use a multiplication chart. Let's try another problem. What is 33 divided by 8? 8 times 3 is 24, but that leaves 9. What is 8 times 4? 8 times 4 is 32. That's as close as you can get to 33, right? Let's subtract 32 from 33. We have 1 left over. Our answer is 4R1. You are now ready to practice on your own and play the division games. Come back when you've mastered the basics and we'll learn long division.
Hey, hey.